I'm playing Roblox on my mom's phone.
Okay. Don't worry. This is my chance. This is my chance. Need it. Oh, this is the screw, so you're going to need it. Okay, let's go. Then. Okay, we're going to steal the diamond. No! We're going to steal that silly diamond. We're going to steal that diamond. We're going to steal that. We're going to steal the air. Ah! Okay, guys. Ano natin? Okay. Ito na, guys. So, ano na naman? I think balik lang ako eh. Ay,